Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Shuga and I am an Abuja YouTuber filming from the capital city of Nigeria. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can properly use the Kojie San soap to take care of your dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Emphasis and keywords on clearing your dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Now, the focus of this video is not going to be on lightening or brightening your skin, whether on your face or on your body, because you know that naturally kojic acid, which is the major ingredient or key ingredient in the Kojie San soap, is an active lightening agent, an active brightening agent, even an active whitening agent, okay, depending on how you use it. But in this video, our focus is going to be when you have hyperpigmentations on certain areas of your face or on your body, or you want to use it to treat dark knuckles, okay, or dark thighs or dark toes. Now, before I dive right into how you can use Kojie San soap to clear your hyperpigmentations and dark spots, there are some very important things that I want you to take note of. Knowing these things is what is going to determine if Kojie San soap is actually going to work for you. So you really want to watch this video carefully to the end. So I'm going to start by emphasizing what I already said, that the Kojie San soap contains a major active ingredient called the kojic acid, which helps to slow down the production of melanin on your skin to give your skin a brighter and a lighter look. Now, this is if you are going to be using Kojie San soap for the very first time. If you've been using it previously and you know that you do not react to it, this particular step is actually fine. But if you know it is going to be your first time trying out Kojie San soap to clear your dark spots or hyperpigmentations, it is always important to carry out a patch test, and you carry out the patch test here on your hand. Maybe in a separate video, I'm going to share how you can actually do a patch test of any product before you use them. It is only going to be coming based on request. So if you would like me to make a video to that regard, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be doing a follow-up video sharing with you how to actually do a patch test to know if a product is good for your skin or if it is going to irritate your skin. So you want to do a patch test with the Kojie San soap first on your hand right here. If it irritates your skin, then it means you have a sensitive skin and you shouldn't be using Kojie San soap. But if you do not experience any irritation, then you can go on ahead to make use of your Kojie San soap to lighten and to clear up all those dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Now, whether you're using Kojie San soap as your regular everyday soap or you're just using it as an on-the-spot treatment, which is what we are focusing on in this video, you do not want to use Kojie San soap regularly, like every day, in the morning, in the night, in the morning, in the night. The reason is because it is also exfoliating. It is going to damage your skin. So what you want to do is to alternate it. Even for this on-the-spot treatment process that I am about to share with you, especially if you have a sensitive skin, you want to use it every other day, and preferably at night. Kojie San is an active, okay? When you use it on your body, you might also be using other products that contain other actives, and going out into the sun immediately is going to make your skin sensitive. Whether you have a sensitive skin or not, it is going to make your skin very hypersensitive, and it might only be reversing the result, okay, that you intend to achieve with your skincare product or even the Kojie San soap that you have used to wash or to cleanse your face. Another very important thing I want you to note is that Kojie San soap loses its potency, its effectiveness, when it is left open. So you want to store your Kojie San soap in a container. If it is possible for you to preserve the pack in which it comes in, so that after using it you can always put it back in the pack and close it, fine. But if you cannot, make sure that the soap dish that you're using or wherever you're storing your Kojie San soap afterwards is not open. And that is one reason why some people begin to use Kojie San soap and it seems like it's working. After a while, the first 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, they begin to notice adverse effects, okay, or that it is not even doing anything at all on their skin as against when they actually started using it. Now, another very important thing, of course, is that you need to pair with a good moisturizer. Any product, okay, that is going to bleach your skin, that is going to lighten your skin, is tampering with the melanin of your skin and is also stripping your skin of its natural moisture, of its natural oil. So you need to replace those moisture with a very good hydrating moisturizer. There are tons of them that you will find on the internet. There are lots of videos here on YouTube and on other social media platforms about the right kind of moisturizers that you can get. So please go search them out. And also, very, very importantly, I cannot omit this, is that you cannot wash off your product immediately. If you want your skincare product to work, especially if it is a treatment product, if you're using that product because you want it to treat your skin, whether it is a cleanser, it is a serum, especially something that you know you're going to wash off, it is important that you let it sit on your skin for a while, at least for between 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 minutes, okay, depending on how much time you have on your hands and what you intend to achieve with that product that you're trying to use to treat your skin. So do not be in a hurry to wash off the Kojie San soap when you begin the process. And with all of that said, okay, here is how you can use the Kojie San soap to take care of your hyperpigmentations and your dark spots. Now, the first thing is not to apply it directly on your skin, whether on your body or on your face. Do not apply Kojie San soap directly on your skin. What you want to do is to wet the soap, lather it, okay? Apply it on your hand or on your sponge, preferably on your sponge, okay, a soft sponge or a soft towel. And then remember that this is going to be an on-the-spot treatment. For example, if it is on your face, you don't want to apply it all over your face. You want to target only those areas where you have the dark spots and those areas where you have the hyperpigmentations, and apply the lather on those parts of your face where you are experiencing hyperpigmentations or dark spots. Same applies if you're trying to do the treatment on any part of your body, whether your knuckles, your toes, your elbows. Now, when you've done that, you want to leave this on your face for at least 2 to 4 minutes. Yes, so do not be in a rush. And that is why I said this treatment is actually preferable in the night, because it gives your skin enough time to actually absorb the ingredients from this product, okay? And I mean, you're not in a hurry to go anywhere because I mean, you're at home already, right? Yes. So it is preferable that you do this at night. Now, after 2 to 4 minutes, you can go ahead to rinse off the Kojie San soap. Follow in with a good moisturizer. You can also follow in with a serum, okay? If it is on your face, you can follow in with a good vitamin C serum and then your moisturizer, whichever rocks your boat. Kojic acid is already doing the job that vitamin C is going to do by brightening your skin, okay? Now, you want to do this 2 to 3 times every week. If you have a sensitive skin, please limit it to twice a week. Other than that, please do this nothing less than 2 to 3 times every week, and within the first 4 weeks you should be able to see tangible results, okay? All your hyperpigmentations clearing off, all your dark spots clearing off. And one thing I'm going to leave you with before I bring this video to an end is that you need to learn to be patient with your products, okay? Whether they are chemically induced products, even those ones they tell you is 7 days or shaprapra products, okay, that brighten your skin or lighten your skin or cleanse your hyperpigmentations within, you know, a week or 2 weeks, you need to give them time. If you do the right thing, they're actually going to give you the results you desire on time, okay? But do not be in a hurry to ditch a product because you think it is not working. Remember, you have been using a product previously on that skin before you started introducing this other product to the skin. Finally, here's one advice that I've always given a lot of people who have consulted me in my Instagram DMs, and that is whenever you need to, for any reason, introduce a product into your skincare routine. I always say this, okay, especially if it is a regular everyday product, what you want to do is to keep other products away from your skin. Okay, stop any other product that you've been using previously. Wait for at least 3 to 7 days, and after 3 to 7 days, you can now go ahead and introduce a new product to your skincare routine. And that, of course, my darlings, brings me to the end of this video. Did you find this video helpful and relatable? Please let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful in any way, please share this video, hit the subscribe button if you have not already, turn on the bell notification, join our channel memberships, you guys. Click on that thanks button right there to support this channel, help us grow, okay, you guys? We need equipment, we need a host of other things, okay, to make this channel better than what it currently is. And that brings me, my darlings, to the end of this video once again. Till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.